guys, it's Tara. Welcome back to my channel, Brave Steven Nails. This video will be very short and very sweet. It is basically a straight up swatch video of Wildflower Lacquer's Burning Up the Quarter Mile. This will be available in August Polish Pickup. If you guys are not familiar with Polish Pickup, or PPU as it is known in the indie world, I will put a link to the PPU Facebook group down below. Basically what PPU is, it is a massive, humongous collaboration every month with dozens and dozens and dozens of makers. There is a monthly theme. August theme is musicals, and Taylor, the owner of Wildflower Lacquer, hello, can you please focus for me? She has chosen Grease. So this is the Grease lightning scene. If you guys are familiar with Grease, one of my favorite musicals. This polish is based off of the Grease lightning scene. Burning Up the Quarter Mile, according to Taylor, is a gray linear holo with silver flakies and a red coppery hue. Or maybe she said coppery red hue. Whatever. She says it's a gray base. There is a blackened base. It does have a blackened base. You can see it's got a little bit of a dark base here. I'm totally using the wrong hand right now. Y'all just deal with it. But because of the copper / red shimmer that runs all through this, on the nail it does give a little bit of almost like a brown tint. So sit tight and I will show you guys how this swatched on my nail. 2 coats plus glossy top coat. And stay tuned for my swatch photos. The flakies in this are literally everything. Pardon me while I wipe off my fingerprints and probably some drool because I have been drooling over this all night long. Also, pardon me because I just sneezed my face off right before I started filming. So, I'm a little snotty. So this is Burning Up the Quarter Mile. This will be available in August. All the details will be listed in the description box below. Again, if you're not familiar with PPU, it's a humongous monthly collaboration that features dozens and dozens of makers. Everyone has the same theme, but they all have to choose different, inspo picks, polishes. Obviously, they all create different polishes, but you don't have to buy the whole box. It's not like you're committing to, buying a 12 box or 50 box, collaboration, or sorry, 50 polish collaboration box. You can pick and choose. And the best thing about PPU, well, one of the many best things about PPU, $3 flat rate shipping. I don't care if you order 1 polish or 97 polishes, $3. That will ship this to Yodo. Okay, you guys, so sit tight and I will show y'all how Burning Up the Quarter Mile swatched on my nails as well as my final swatch photos. Okay, sit tight. Before I hop off here and get to swatching or get to showing y'all my swatches, Wildflower Lacquer, y'all, oh my gosh. Okay, Taylor is one of my dearest friends in the indie polish world. So I can say she and I are friends. And I think she would raise her hand and say, yeah, we're friends. We talk all the time. She's been a huge help for me in my little tiny business. And I'd like to imagine that perhaps I have helped her here or there as well. Whether or not she would say that, I don't know. She may find me not helpful at all. Like, who knows? Who the hell knows? But even though she and I are good friends in my mind, if there is something wrong with one of her polishes, I have no problem at all, like, texting her and saying, girl, like, what's up with this or what's up with that? I'm not kidding you when I tell you. Now, she has sent me several polishes to swatch. If you guys missed my Edward Scissorhands swatch video, I'll put it up there in the top right-hand corner. That collection will be available for about another 2 months, so hop on board with that. Every single polish, when I tell y'all, yes, she has sent me polishes for review. I have not paid for them, but I have paid like outside of just the polishes that I swatch. I have given this woman money and purchased polishes from her. Every single polish, now I have 27, okay, 27. I have 27 Wildflower Lacquer polishes. I have never experienced one single problem with one single polish. Never, ever. Her formulas are always spot the F on. I don't know how she does it. She's a wizard. And I mean, even I make polish, and I'm like, B, like, what is up? How did you make this so flippin' amazing? So, pardon me as I snot all over the place. I'm so professional. So anyway, if you're on the fence, if you've never even heard of Wildflower Lacquer, because she is a very tiny brand, you know, she's not one of these brands that's been around for 5 or 6 years and has tens of thousands of people who purchase from her. If you are in the market for sort of like an unknown brand to you, I would never steer y'all wrong. I just wouldn't do that. So even though Taylor is a friend of mine, I'm not going to blow smoke up her ass, okay? And I'm not going to blow smoke up your ass either. I would tell her straight up, if I ever had an issue with one of her polishes, never, never, ever have I ever had an issue with one of her polishes. So I'm just telling y'all right now, if you're like, oh, you know what, 12 bucks seems a little bit pricey for a polish, which is what this will cost when August PPU launches in a few weeks. This will be $12. There are only 80 polishes to go around. Pardon me. She has capped this at 80. She's maxed it out. She's like, you know, I can only commit to creating 80 polishes of Burning Up the Quarter Mile. But, you know, you may think, oh, 80, you know, that sounds like a ton. No, in PPU, that is not a ton, because there are thousands of women shopping PPU every month. Again, I will put all of the information down in the description box below. I'll give you a little bit of a rundown on what PPU is, as well as the website. Literally set alarms. I'm telling you, like when you browse the PPU Facebook group or the PPU website, when they finally upload all of the photos for preview, all the swatch pictures of all of the polishes, pardon me, you have to set an alarm. If you fall in love with the polish, especially one that is capped, which Burning Up the Quarter Mile is capped at 80, you have to set an alarm, girl. You have to be there at 11 a.m. Eastern time, and you have to buy, like right then and there. But again, the beauty of PPU is you can place 5 or 6 different orders and only pay $3 shipping. Like no matter how many polishes you order. So once they start packing orders and shipping them, they do refund shipping, just FYI. But I just wanted to give you guys a rundown. $12, August PPU, theme is musicals. This is inspired by Grease, the Grease lightning scene, Burning Up the Quarter Mile. Again, Taylor says it's a charcoal base. I'm not gonna disagree with her, because she knows she made it. But because of the coppery red shimmery hue that's in this, it does give you a bit of like a brownish in some lighting. Now this is not a multi-chrome, but it does sort of get a little shifty in different lightings, which you guys will see in my final swatch photos. I'll have it in bright light. It does look more gray, and then in lower light situations, I'm really getting some brown in there. But anyway, you guys sit tight. I just wanted to tell you guys, if you're new to Wildflower Lacquer, I wouldn't steer you wrong. I really wouldn't. I'd give you all the tea. That's what we're here for, right? That's what we're here for. Anyway, BRB.